Guys, what's up? It's Leaf. I actually found a great resource for learning Aiken smart contract development. I was in the process of making a course that talked about how to build full stack Aiken applications like in the DeFi ecosystem, but I've decided that I don't think it's going to be worth my time. I don't think there's enough of a market for it, but I did see that there was a proposal on Catalyst to build a course similar to the one I was going to make, and it did get approved, and that course is now live. The course is made by somebody who I've talked to before personally, and he is a qualified developer from what I know about him. It also talks about a lot of the core concepts, and then it talks about how you can test and mock these smart contracts using the library that the instructor actually made himself. I'll leave the link in the description below for anybody looking to, just so you have a pulse on what I'm working on right now. I've been really interested in Cardano DeFi for a while now. DeFi is up and coming on Cardano. I think it's a really good opportunity right now. This actually brings me to a side note. I want to get your guys' feedback. Would you be interested in education on how to build automated trading bots on Cardano DeFi? If that's something that's interesting to you, let me know, because right now I'm actually working on a product that's going to be an ultra low latency Cardano DeFi trading API, like a consumable service for people who want to write automated trading systems so that they don't have to learn about all the complexity with the Cardano side. They just have to know their trading strategy and write their trading strategy and then use this service that I built to execute on their strategy, right? Is that something that's interesting to you guys? If so, let me know. I like doing this kind of stuff because it gets a pulse on whether or not my ideas are valid or if I'm just gonna waste my time. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you next time.